Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So I thought it was time to do some more sort of autumny nails. They're not quite autumn because we're not really in autumn yet, so I wanted just to use some like muted sort of pastel-y colours. So I'm using Madam Glam's gel polishes, and I'm also using some things that I got from Temu as well, like decals and stickers and rhinestones and things. So it's a bit of a combination, this one. So the first gel polish that I'm using is Visionary. It's a really nice grey colour from Madam Glam. This is what they sent me in the PR haul that I got not too long ago, and I really wanted to use this on something, so I'm using that as a base colour for the pinky finger and the pointer finger. And then on the middle finger I'm using You're So Vain, and that's like a dusky pink. It's really nice. I love this colour. So that's going on the middle finger and the ring finger. And I'm only using one coat because we're going to ombre these nails with a few coats of polish, so I didn't want them to be too thick. And then I'm going in with the Velvet Matte top coat, and that just helps when you're doing an ombre. It helps it be a bit smoother. So I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. All of Madam Glam's gel polishes cure for 30 seconds. So on the pinky finger, it's already got the Visionary, which is the grey, and then I'm going over the top of the nail with You're So Vain, the pink one, and that's going towards the middle of the nail. And then I'm using Visionary at the bottom. And then I'm just showing you this in real time, just with a couple of nails, just so that you can see how I do it. So that's going towards the middle of the nail, and then I'm using the Visionary again on the bottom half of the nail. And then leaving that wet, I'm just going to get a sponge, and I'm just going to very lightly dab those colours together. So I'm just going right in the middle where the join is, and I'm just dabbing. I'm just very, very slightly going up and down as well until that's blended how I like. So it doesn't have to be perfect on your first one, just as long as you've got, you know, a blend of those colours. And then I'm going to go in with another coat, just doing exactly the same thing. So I'll show you me doing it on the pointer finger, because this is going to be the same but upside down. So I'm going to put the grey at the top, and then the pink is going to be at the bottom. And they're just exactly the same. I'm leaving it wet, and I'm getting the sponge and I'm just dabbing it on very gently until I've got quite a nice blend. So then after that, I'm going to show you me doing a second coat. So while I'm doing that, I'll just tell you a bit about Madam Glam. So they are a cruelty-free company. All their gel polishes are cruelty-free. They are vegan. They've got a 21 free formula, so that means that they've not got 21 of the harmful chemicals that are in a lot of other gel polishes. You wouldn't believe what some of the cheaper gel polishes have in them. And these are also HEMA-free, which is really good if you're allergic to that. I do have a HEMA allergy. It's not very, you know, I can use gel polishes with HEMA in because it's not that strong, but but some of the gel polishes I do react to. But I've never reacted to Madam Glam, so I love their polishes, absolutely love the brand. And they do have a VIP scheme as well, so if you do buy from Madam Glam quite often, it can be worthwhile to join their VIP scheme. And what that is, you pay, I think it's $29 a month, and that gets taken from your account and it goes straight into your Madam Glam account, where it's kept in there until you want to spend it. It doesn't ever expire or anything like that. It will just stay in there until you want to buy gels. And because you're part of the VIP program, you get your gels for 50% off. So if you are a US customer, you'll also get your shipping free as well if you're part of the VIP scheme. So that is a really good offer to take on if you want to do that. If you don't want to be part of the VIP scheme and pay so much a month, but you do want a percentage off, then take advantage of my discount code. It will give you 35% off if you use the code Sharon's Nails 35 at checkout, and then you won't get a recurring fee, but you will get 35% off that order. So that will be on screen, and I'll also put it in the description box down below as well. Okay, so back to the nails. I'm going in again, when I'm happy with the blend on all of the nails, I'm going in with a Velvet Matte top coat, and then I'm just curing that for 30 seconds, and then you'll notice that all of the blotchiness on the nails completely goes away when you put the top coat on, and when that top coat is cured you can't really see it at all, and I love the way it makes it look. So I'm really happy with the blend on them. But they're a bit boring right now, so I'm going to go in with some of the stickers that I got from Temu, and also some of the decals that I got in my last haul. So I chose this really cute little owl. I thought he was gorgeous, so he was going on. So I'm just placing them on wherever I want them, and I really like these stickers because they look like you've done a really fancy intricate design, and you haven't. You've just basically pulled a sticker off a sheet and stuck it on the nail. So I love that. When I had these on my nails, I did get loads of comments saying, oh, how have you done that, and where's that from? And I was just like, well, they're just stickers. So yeah, they do look really professional. I really like the way that these look. So Temu is a bit like Amazon, so they've got everything on their site that you would find there, but like a quarter of the price. It does take a bit longer to come, so it takes about a week for it to arrive, but you know, I'm willing to do that, to wait that time just for the prices, because yeah, the prices are amazing for exactly the same quality of products that you would get on Amazon. The discount code will be in the description box, and that will get you 50% off if you are a new user. So I'm just placing those stickers with my tweezers. These tweezers are also from Temu, and this is the first time that I'm using them, and I'm really happy with them. I got the pointy ones, and I also got some sort of slanted ones, and I'm really happy with both of them. So after I've put those stickers on, I'm going in with a base coat. So this is Madam Glam's base coat, because I'm using the decals next, and I'm using them with the stamper that I got from Born Pretty. So I'm just using the stamper to place those decals exactly where I want them. So what you need to do is they are water decals, so you do need to just put a few drops of water onto the decal, and I just do that on my palette and just let it soak in for a few seconds, and then I just pick the decal up with the stamper, and then it's ready to go. It's ready to place on the nail, and because I'm using a clear stamper, you can see exactly where you're putting it. So when I'm happy with the decals and where they are and everything, I'm going in now with some rhinestones, and these are also from Temu, so these are opal ones, and I've got blue ones, pink ones and white ones. So I'm placing them with rhinestone glue wherever I want them, then I'm curing them, and then I'm going back in, putting a bit more rhinestone glue just around the rhinestones, and then I'm putting some caviar beads, some silver caviar beads between them. And I did use bigger ones. When I did the pinky finger off camera, I used the smaller ones, and I do think they look better. So when I'm happy with all that placement, I'm going in with the velvet matte top coat again, and I'm top coating all of these nails. So you don't often see me doing matte nails, but I really wanted these to be matte because I'd done that ombre and I knew it'd look so much better matte, and I was really pleased with how they turned out. So where the rhinestones are, I am going in with a detailer brush and making sure I get that top coat right around the cuticle area and right around those rhinestones. And that gets cured for 30 seconds, and then this is how they look when they're finished. So yeah, tell me what you think in the comments. I absolutely love this set. I'm really pleased with how it turned out. So don't forget to use my discount code for Madam Glam, and you will get 35% off your order. And also on Temu, if you use my code, the discount code will be in the description box, and that will get you 50% off if you are a new user. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye.